What's up guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing a quick little overview and install on these Putco metal LED reverse light bulbs for the 18 and 19 F-150. Now these are pretty simple, just drop-in replacement LED that goes in your factory housing, and it's going to be a bit brighter than stock, and they have about a 6500K color temperature, so you get a nice cool white output instead of sort of the yellowish dim tone that you have from your factory halogen bulbs. And because they're the same size and fitment as a factory bulb, it doesn't require any sort of cutting or wiring or anything crazy to get it put in. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get these installed on our truck right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is drop your tailgate down so you can get access to the inside of your tail light housing. You can see here we've got two different screws put in there, and all you'll need to remove this is a little ratchet with a 5/16 socket. So we're going to go ahead and just pull these out right now. All right, once you've got those free, we'll need to remove the actual taillight housing from the truck. Now, the way you do this is you're gonna need to get your hand on the lip along the edge of the taillight and then place your other hand on the outside where you can kind of pull. And you just wanna bring the light towards you and away from the truck forward. So we're gonna give it some pressure, pop those plastic tabs free, and that's gonna give us access to the bulbs. So from here you have access to the back of the light, and you can actually just swap the bulb out like this, but to make it a little easier to show you guys, I'm going to disconnect the wiring harness off the end of it so we can set this whole housing down. Now on the back of the housing, we're going to go ahead and grab the harness for the bulb, rotate it. You can see there we have our halogen bulb from factory. We'll pop that out, set that off to the side, and grab our new Putco bulb. This will just slot right into place. Make sure you click it in there nice and tight. Reinsert it into the housing here, and then rotate it to keep it locked in place. And now we can reattach this to the truck. With the housing in place, we'll go ahead and just reattach the two screws on the back side. All right, and just like that, that's all it takes to replace the reverse lights in your truck. And you'll just do the same thing on the other side. It's the exact same process. So if you guys are interested in picking up some of these bulbs for your truck, you can head down in the links below in our description. That'll shoot you over to the website so you can check them out, and I'll see you guys next time.